Today we are here to ask one simple question. How do you factory reset a Tangem wallet? Quick warning before we get started. If you originally set up your wallet using a seedless option, meaning that it did not generate a seed phrase for you, move your crypto before doing this step. If you factory reset your wallet and you don't have a seed phrase to recover it, you will lose all your crypto. You will not get it back. So move it to an exchange, move it to another cold wallet while you do the factory reset, then recreate the wallet and then move your funds back over. But now let's get to the video. It is going to be a really easy process. First things first, we are going to come right over here, tap the three dots in the top right hand corner. Next, we are going to come right over here to where it says wallet. Once we do that, you'll see a couple different options. We are going to hit manage device settings. Once we do that, it will say get your Tangem ready. And we are going to hit scan card or ring because this method will work for either. So now that we have it set to scan, we are going to put our Tangem wallet right at the top right over here. We got the blue check mark saying that it was correct. And now at the very bottom in red, it says reset to factory resettings. We are going to tap that. Now that we click that, a factory reset completely erases the wallet from the selected card or ring. You will not be able to restore the current wallet or use this card or ring to recover the access code. We understand that. We are going to hit agree, reset the card, hit reset. Now it's going to have us scan the card again. Now it is going to ask us for the access code that you created when you made the card. I'm going to do that right now. Now with that entered in, we are going to hit continue. It's going to have us scan the card again. Wallet reset. Do you want to reset the next device? Nope, we don't want to reset another device. So cancel. And there we go. It's going to go back to the main screen. So now let's say we tried to go through the steps again and we scanned it. It would have us set it up like it is a brand new Tangem wallet. And like I said, it works with the card or works with the ring. Either way, you will have it done. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.